Well, good morning, everybody. It's Larry Steinhaus, and I am the very happy, crazy options trader. Well, I predicted that Apple move. Did you guys see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? They beat earnings. Boy, didn't that sound familiar? All right, I'm going to give you the absolute perfect tell that Apple was going to beat earnings. In fact, I got to be honest with you, I pulled back a little bit, and the funny part is I actually played it in the wrong account, so I didn't even get the credit for it in the Crazy Options Trader account. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But the absolute tell was Tim Cook was interviewed in an article, I think it was about a month ago, and he said Apple was going to make a comeback. Well, clearly, if he's telling you that, that was the tell. That was the inside information. That was everything you needed to know. So I played it. Now, I played a small weekly option bet on that, which I never do, but I was so sure that it was going to happen, and it happened. Here's the funny part, though. The funny part was I accidentally played it in the wrong account, so I'm not even getting credit for it in my $1 million search. Sometimes what happens with TD Ameritrade that I've noticed is if I'm in the wrong account when I log in, all my accounts show up, and when I go to buy, no matter what account I'm looking at, it automatically defaults to my main account, and I have to be consciously aware of what account I'm buying in. Now, sometimes it's okay because some of the other accounts don't have the money to buy that kind of stuff. But this one does, so I accidentally bought it in the wrong account. So I can't even take the credit for the about $10,000 or $15,000 that I'm going to make off a $2,500 play, which was awesome. So you're not going to see it in my goals, but you're going to see it I'm going to see it in my pocket. So hey, I still have to say that that's more important than what you guys see. Anyway, I want to show you what's going on today. Here's the board. All right, look at this. Okay, so once again, oh, by the way, yeah. Facebook earnings. I'm telling you now, Facebook's going to blow it out of the park just like Apple did. No doubt, Facebook's blowing it out of the park just like Apple did. If you want to take a small weekly play, go ahead. I'm not a big fan of small weekly plays. You know what I've got? I've got June options, and I'm looking for 137, 138, and I'm out. I'm just going to take it and go out, take my money and run, because it's fine. Take my profit, and it's fine. No problem. Apple's going to blow right through this. I think Apple already is above this today. So that is awesome. I love it. Netflix, just watch for this back and forth. By the way, I jumped into Chesapeake the other day. It fell below 650. I jumped in. If it falls below 6, just buy. Definitely. Buy if it falls below 6. All right. But I'm probably not going to look for 7.5. I'm probably going to look for something like 7.25. I need to change that. I got to make a mental note to change that. And Twitter, did anybody see Twitter yesterday? Twitter was up 75 cents. Something's going on with Twitter. I'm not sure what it is, but I got a feeling something's going on with Twitter. I got a feeling it's a little bit different than what I'm predicting, which is the Donald Trump effect. I think it's something more. I think there might be a rumor going on. I don't want to start the rumor, but I think there might be a rumor going on. So let's take a look real quick. I promised you guys the other day that, oh, by the way, here we go. Here's the chart of where I am. All right, I'm at 109 today. I'm supposed to be at 121,500 for at the end of this month. I missed it. Now, hey, this is the cool part. If anybody remembers, it wasn't even a week ago that I was at 96,000. It wasn't even a week ago that I was at 96,000. So I'd lost that much and gained it all back already. And I'm back at 109. I need to be at 121.5 to be at my goal to reach $1 million in the end of December. So I'm not doing too bad. I'm a little off. I'm off by 12,000. But here's the thing. Facebook is going to have earnings today. I believe that $10,000 or $12,000 I'm missing today, I could actually make up by Facebook getting earnings today. The funny part is, like I said before, unfortunately I bought that Apple in the wrong account, so I can't put the credit for it on the board. If I bought it in this account, I would be there. Oh well, it is what it is. Those things happen, mistakes made. It's a very happy mistake because I don't care. I get to spend the money, so it's fine. Because I can't spend the money in this account, remember? Because I can't spend the money until it's at the end of the year. So anyway, that's where I am at 109. I promised you guys I was going to show you what it looks like, what some of my bad trades look like. And by the way, real quick, the stock market this morning, look at that. Facebook, this is how one stock can affect another. And this is awesome, okay, because Apple hit earnings or beat earnings yesterday. All of a sudden, everybody's excited about Facebook because they think that Facebook's going to hit earnings too. I happen to think they're right. What's nice is 2 days ago, remember 2 days ago I had the video and I said, today's going to be a buying opportunity, buy, I'm buying. Well, boom, I was there. As a matter of fact, I was sitting down with a friend, Sean. If you're listening to the video, I was sitting down with a friend, and we're sitting in Dunkin' Donuts. We're having a casual conversation, and I have my computer open in Dunkin' Donuts, waiting for the 2-point drop of Facebook. And the funny part was, it dropped the 2 points, but I couldn't get on the Dunkin' Donuts Wi-Fi fast enough to buy it. So I bought it at when it dropped 1.7 instead of 2 points when it started coming back. But anyway, it is what it is. What are you going to do? But that was pretty funny. And if you know Sean, you get a kick out of that because he'll tell you the exact story. But here, this is cool. Check it out. Chesapeake up 0.8 already. And where is? Did I pass it? Oh, here we go. Apple's up 5.29. Oh, this is so exciting. I've only got 20 contracts. That's only $10,000. That's all it is. Could you imagine if I would have went all out? But hey, it is what it is. So there you go. So I'm up 20. There you go. That's what the stock market's doing today. I wanted to show you real quick my TD Ameritrade account and prove to you that I am really where I am. Say I am. By the way, okay, you know what it was? I want to show you this real quick. This was the mistakes I made this year. See, I'm in the wrong account again. Okay. These are the mistakes I made this year based on some mistakes. I want to show you my trades this year. Now look, all these trades, check it out. The mistakes, the red ones, the bad ones, all puts. Put, all puts. Except for this one, I made a little bit of money on that one. But that's what's happening. I don't usually play puts. I thought the market was going to drop. In fact, everybody thought the market was going to drop, but it didn't. Actually, I shouldn't say everybody, because if everybody did, it would have dropped. But everybody like me, John, Sarah, another friend of mine, we were having this conversation on Facebook. The market's going to drop. The market's going to drop. It didn't drop. I don't know. Whatever. It is what it is. But anyway, so all these put plays were all my mistakes this year. Those are the mistakes. But here, you can see I'm making money. Everything's good. It's all good. So here we go. So now, and that's where we are there. So of course, if you haven't already, do me a favor. I just put up my new fan page. Is it a fan page or is it a business page? I think it's a business page on Facebook. That just goes to show you how much I know about Facebook, the company that I think is the greatest company in the world for advertising, right? But I put up my new business page, and if you go to crazyoptiontraders with an S.com, it'll take you here automatically, and you can like the page. I'd really appreciate it. It'd be great to have you. Plus, just get some insight of what's going on. Not only get the videos, but I promise I will be posting some things that are going on, like I'm buying today, I'm selling today, that kind of thing too, and you can get some nice insight on that as well. So that's almost it for today. I just want to show you real quick. Make sure that if you haven't already downloaded the free ebook, you download the free ebook. That's what it looks like. That's what the ebook looks like. What it looks like after you print it, anyway. That's what it looks like. Please download it. It's options. The way to big returns, and you will make big money. I promise you'll make big money if you're trading stock options. You watching me do it. I'm doing nothing. I'm no brighter or dumber than anyone else out there. I know a little bit about stock options. I know a lot about stock options. But the idea is, it's not hard for you to learn this. In fact, I'd be more than happy to teach you. Reach out to me. I'll teach you how I can help you teach you. Wow, that was interesting. I don't even know if I could say that again. So that's it. Have an awesome, profitable day. I will be taking my wonderful money from guess what? Apple. And I'm looking for the Facebook return today. Take care, everybody.